So yeah, we're gonna try to cut down that tree. I got 500 rounds of very cheap Chinese ammo. Well, it's the good stuff. It's Norinco non-corrosive, if that counts for anything. So yeah, never chopped down a tree with a gun before, but seems like a good idea. All right, so we're gonna try to shoot down this tree here. Got 10 little stripper clips loaded up. Thanks to Trudeau. I can only do 5 at a time though, so this might take a little while. Gotta pin our semi-autos up here. So yeah, let's see how this works. This is gonna take a while. It's a tough tree. I love this. Well, the tree ain't exactly happy. Should mention this is a dead tree. I'm not shooting down live ones. Oh shit! Hey! Success! Awesome. I got 10 left, so 140 it took to do that. So these are just celebratory.
It's time we make use of this tree and turn it into firewood. This will do the real hard work.
There you go.